Hi, good afternoon. So today I have got a topic of induction of a new joinee. So I am Anup Minch from Ranchi, Crescent Formulation. So today I have got an opportunity to present my PowerPoint presentation upon induction of a new joinee. So let's begin with the session. And today, uh, first the introduction part. The introduction part would be the induction of a new joinee. If somebody is joining, definitely there was a vacant territory and somebody is joining in this vacant territory. So we definitely welcome the candidate in a new headquarter. The first day induction is the introduction to a new employee for the new, for him and for the company also. So area manager will welcome the TSM for a few hours for room induction, and then in that room induction, a lot of discussions might be there for the familiarization of each other and company rules and regulation, etc. So then to the field induction, and then for consecutive 3 days of minimum working, and the introduction of the territory, prime doctors, chemist, and stockist. So the next slide will come, and this will be the orientation and room induction program. So after TSM introduction, we'll introduce the company to him, what we expect from as a company side from the employee. So we'll definitely talk a little bit of history of the company to the territory sales manager who has newly joined. So we'll definitely tell about the company history, like Crescent Formulation is 21 years old company, and then it's serving from 1997. Pan India presence is there. We have world class quality with GMP certified 2 manufacturing units, and we have 5 divisions: Crescent, Cognius, Socius, Insula, and Glowy, etc. and etc. Then definitely in second part we'll be coming and into giving the introduction to the company managing director part, and then the organizational structure hierarchy, that the person has to report first to the area manager and then to the regional sales manager, RBM, then ZBM, then sales manager, then VP, then CEO, and then the MD of the company. So after that, we'll be definitely giving a little bit of a business in the brief, how we operate, how we go ahead, how we deal in the business with the doctors and the customers. And then escalation matrix will about his promotion, his career growth, and etc. How he will get the pay slip, the salary, the expenses, leave policies, travel policies. Will definitely discuss with him, and then we'll give a field joining report. We'll sign and mail it to the HR policy. Now the orientation and room induction program definitely includes the idea. The idea of the room induction is to make the employee feel at home in the new environment, in fact, and to enhance the adjustment with the work group people and the norms. If there is a pool territory, now I have to explain that the pool colleague would be there, maybe senior. So I have to introduce in that way. And definitely what we demand from my employee, that we demand a trust, the honesty, the character, the competence, openness. The person has to be responsible and has to be interdependence. So these all things what we will explain. The whole idea of the room induction and is to give, to be a familiarize and definitely about the company part. Now definitely we'll share about the doctor part. The main thing is doctor list. So now we will come into the doctor list and customer list. Will definitely, we have to provide each and every list of doctor, chemist, stockist, and every all the list we will provide. So giving the doctor customer introduction brief, then the who are all key prescribers, my pipeline doctors, stockist, chemist. I'll tell the person on the same day. And the product introduction and the product induction, the price briefing is there. The coverage area discussion is there. Category wise doctor, customer list discussion, we have to inform the candidate, the person the same day. The distributor and direct party introduction, the target and achievement briefing. Then will come about the reporting system briefing, and then provide him the doctor list, chemist list, stockist list, and with address and phone number. It has to be mandated for with all the details. The person has to get the detail. Now, the first and foremost work of a area manager definitely is to introduce the new joint TSM with the product, how to be handled. We have to teach him about the brand name and composition, the ingredients, the molecule we are dealing with. As we always tell that we are pioneer in neurology and psychiatry, and we have all 5 divisions and all. So you have to definitely tell about the molecule part along with the quantity of the product to be handled. The second part, how to detail the product in front of the customers, the detailing story discussion. If the new joined employee is a fresher, then the responsibilities goes high of the area manager, and we have to give the demo how to make the call, and is the main job is of the area manager. So information of the customer brands, customer list, customer detail, everything he has to know, the market discussion, so that new joint TSM will come to know about the market competition also. So the next slide will be going to the classification and category. Every company is having their own classification category part. Many of them categorized in different part, like super core and core doctors and something like that. So according to the company, the rule, category wise doctor list, handover and discussion required before the field induction we will start. So as an area manager, we have to clear the new TSM about the strategy of the company, and according to the strategy, doctor list segregation, like in Crescent formulation, we have like 125 doctor list for each TSM out of the 60 doctors, which will be super core category, and will the cover by TSM by three times, and at least the ASM has also to cover once. Now rest 65 doctor will cover one time in each month by TSM. So total number of call in a month will be 60 into 3, that is 180, and 65 into 1 times, that is 65. So total number of call will be 245 calls, doctor call, and chemist call must be at least 10 per day. So next part will be coming for chemist and stockist coverage, all the distributor and party, direct party name, mobile number, area of the party, briefing. These all we have to brief. And then area wise chemist list, hand over the discussion, so that at the time of the field time, TSM will also touch all the chemist, and that entered into the list. So chemist call average would be 10. Definitely the other part, the target sheet handover. The target sheet and the achievement till that time we'll discuss and hand over the paper. In case the fresher has joined, then definitely we have to discuss it in a different way. Then how to achieve and details also have to discuss with the fresher. Now we have to tell everything about MRP, PTR, PTS. Discussion is very important factor to the new joined TSM. If the new joined TSM is fresher, then area manager has to explain and make him understand that what is MRP, PTR, PTS, which the price will be getting to the sales. Now definitely the last comes the reporting system. As a new TSM in my company, the area manager has to convey that how the TSM has to install the application, or maybe it is web reporting, mobile reporting, the given portal of the company. Now how to submit the day plan and all, a doctor call, chemist call, stockist call, how to submit the program. So area manager must brief about and how to put the secondary sales statements, and all the other administrative work we have to brief. So in the joint 3 work days, we have to now comes the part of field introduction. So after all this room induction, we'll explain everything about the company, everything we have explained. Now we'll go to the field introduction. At least minimum 3 days at a start, we have to work with a person, with area manager, with the TSM. All the important doctors, customers, the major important doctors are all prescribers who are giving us business. So we have to make the person introduced to the doctor first within the 3 working days of the first priority, and the major chemist, major stockist, from where we get major business, and other areas also we have to make introduction. Next priority is to introduce with the important chemist and distributor. So if the HO having any direct party, like in many of the companies they are having direct parties and all, so company area manager need to meet with the TSM to the direct party. So this is what after room induction there is a field induction, and all the ultimate idea is to, for the induction is to the new person should take the responsibility to complete to understand everything, and then he will take the responsibility to complete all his job, and he will join in a good manner, and he will perform, and we wish him all the best in his future endeavor. So I think friends, I have completed almost all of the points. So if some points are lacking, definitely I will try to improve myself in my next video. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much.